Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. I wanted to hop on real quick and do a quick unboxing of some new finds I got from AliExpress here recently. I ordered this stuff. I live in Washington State, and I ordered this stuff on, just looking at my tracking sheet. Let's see. I ordered this stuff on the 12th and I got it on the 23rd. So not too bad considering it was coming from Asia. So here's what I got. Let's get in here. Just this one little box, not too big for sizing purposes. And I'm most excited about the washi tape dots that I got. So some stickers, some Post-it notes. Let's get into these. They can fit a lot of stuff in this box. Okay, so here's what I got. I got a new set of couple new sets of washi tape. These, you probably have seen these from samples being sent out to other folks. They're just, I'm not going to get in here and show you all these. Like I said, I wanted to make this super quick. These are just a kind of a earthy color rainbow. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different gray and blues, a couple different greens, a purple, a kind of a dusty pink, a tan, and this one's like a burgundy color. So these are washi tapes. And I was super excited about them because if you watch my channel at all, you know how much I love watercolor stuff. And these look like, they're not, it looks like a lot of washi tape, but they're not super thick rolls. So they just look like they've got a watercolor stripe to them, which I thought would be really fun to decorate my planner with. So I'm not going to unroll all of them like I said, but I can go ahead and show you. I'll get them out of the plastic at least so the glare isn't there, so you can see all the different colors. So like I said, there's a lighter blue, a kind of a navy indigo blue. These are a little more cooler toned. Anyway, you don't need me to go on and on about these colors. 2 shades of green. Like I said, purple, pink, tan, and burgundy. So there's the first set I got. They come in this really nice little slide box. Here's the second set I got, also in a slide box. And so these have kind of random printing on them. So they're supposed to look kind of vintage, which I also love. And again, there are 2 really cool blues, 2 kind of teal, 2 green, a brown, a kind of a dusty pink, a burnt orangish, and a really dark brownish red color. So let me get these out and put them in the box outside of the plastic so you can see them. And I'll be adding these to my washi tape swatch book. So here's one rolled out so you can see it. So again, it's just got a little bit of random printing on it to give it kind of a vintagey look. Those are not Chinese characters. That looks like numbers actually. I see a 173 right there. So sorry about that. We have teenage neighbors that apparently have decided that the louder their car is, the better. So anyway, all right, so that is the second set of washi tapes I got. Super cute. Let's get into the dots. So I'm going to do a Sakura spread, so I think I want to use these. They're just an ombre from super light pink to a more bubblegum kind of a pink. This one is just a little bit warmer, a little bit more peachy. Same ones all the way around. These have a cool little pattern. They're in different yellows and oranges. So polka dots, diagonal stripes. This one's got a little circle, this one's in grid, and this one's a circle. So super cute, super excited. These, maybe I'll use these for my Sakura spread. They're, they are florals. So 5 different florals, just repeated over and over. Love those. Here's a kind of a set of browns and grays and reds. So you can see there on the end, the color palette. This one, I love these. You guys know I already have a set of blue and a set of red hearts. These are kind of teal and baby blue and dark blue, and this one's kind of a grayish blue. And then we circle back. So those are going to be super fun to use, little hearts. And then I got some triangles. So these are a little different. All the ones I showed you before, well, actually both of these are like this. So this has a light pink, a dark pink, kind of a really, really dark teal, a medium teal, and a light teal. And then this gets into, is that the same? Yeah, it looks like the same. A medium pink and a dark pink, and then the 3 teals. So again, love those little triangles. Okay, what else? I couldn't put in an AliExpress order without getting some cat stickers. So these are the flakies. These are separate little stickers. Mostly white ones. Looks like that one's cut funny. That's okay. I think this box of stickers probably cost about 29 cents, so. Super cute. Yeah, it looks like it was supposed to be cut like that. That's okay. It looks like it's chasing a butterfly. This guy's rolling around on the floor. Here we've got, I don't know, I'm not sure, Think Bubble or something. So I just like this like cartoon line artwork. That'll go with, these will go with any kind of spread because they're kind of neutral colored. That's interesting. He's getting pet. So cute. This one's got a goldfish. This one's having fish for dinner. He looks ticked off about something or frustrated. Why can't I have more treats? These two are in love. He's happy he's got a fish. I don't know if he's playing hide and go seek, maybe. And this one is apparently shocked to have found a mouse. So there we go. That's that little box of stickers. This, I think, is this a roll of washi tape? Nope, these are more stickers. These are some woodsy animal stickers. Again, with the separate little flakies. So there, that looks like a fall tree. Got a couple acorns. There's a hedgehog. Some leaves, some mushrooms. Oh, there's a fox. More acorns. More trees. The only problem with these is the scale on the tree. Like the acorn is as big as the tree. These look like more leaves and some grass, some fall grass. There's a little lake with some fall colored mountains. That's pretty. That little brownish gray forest. There's a raccoon. Some more leaves, bunnies, deer. I just got these. I won't use them for a while because they're very fall themed, but I thought they were pretty cute. Squirrels, another tree, more mushrooms, and a bear. So that's the fall stickers. Whoops. Then these are some more vintage box stickers. I don't remember which ones these are. Oh, here we go. So again, these are stickers. The backing peels off and you can stick them right in your planner. So they're not, you know, specific to any Happy Planner sizes. I just liked that they looked, they're kind of a tan with a brown outline, so they said, definitely said vintage to me. So got lots of different sizes. This one doesn't even have stripes. Awesome. Some rectangles, lots of different sizes, so I can definitely see using these in some vintage spreads. Lots of these are some bigger ones. Not sure what I'd do with that. I mean, if it was empty, I would definitely use it. So anyway, and then there's a bunch of smaller ones down still here in the box, and some numbers. Very small ones, teeny tiny ones. So there we go. Just some little vintage looking stickers. I love my vintage stuff. All right. A couple more things to go. These are Post-it notes. So if you've seen flip-throughs of my planners, particularly my move-in videos that I film at the beginning of each month, at the beginning of my social media section, I have just a heavy Happy Planner dashboard that I have stuck all these different Post-it notes on. So if you were wondering where did some of those Post-it notes come from, this is a good example. There are thousands of Post-it notes on AliExpress. So here is, now they are Asian. So the sticky part is on the bottom, not on the top, like a traditional Western style Post-it note would be. But here are the some examples of some cat Post-it notes. So again, this was less than $2. I want to say like $1.25 or something. Here is another package of 6 or so sheets of cat stickers. So this is just like an acetate sheet with a masking tape with kitties printed on the masking tape. So you're definitely going to want to stick these on a white background so that they show up the best. So some blue and pink with little butterflies, very spring-like. There's some more spring-like, more butterflies. These are more pink and orange, and some goldfish. This one, I think that cut is on the back, or that's a wrinkle in the tape. Again, more with the spring and the florals. Browns. Here's some purple ones. More browns. Super cute. And just some mixed random florals and colors there. All right, and then the last thing is what I'm most excited about. So for my birthday this year in June, I'm going to do a blackout spread. I already know this because it's my blackout birthday, the one where you're supposed to get the black balloons and stuff. So I got these stickers because, so I need to get a piece of black paper to put these over top of. Here's a piece of black craft foam because I thought these would look super cool on black paper. I hope they show up. So just a package of white stickers that I plan to put somehow into my blackout spread. So just some of the different designs. That's pretty. The window, the butterflies. So hopefully you can see these. I know there's a lot of glare. More celestial, that's pretty. Anyway, oh, that's pretty too. Quote. More butterflies. So that is everything. That is what I got in my latest haul from, I hate saying haul though. I mean, I think I spent like less than $20 to get this stuff. It's just a random assortment of stuff that caught my eye. I try to keep, what I do is I find something I want, because there are so many sellers on AliExpress. What I do is I find something I want. So for example, I found these bullet points that I really, really loved. Then you can go within the app, you can scroll down, put these in your cart, and then go and check that specific shop, because there were probably half a dozen shops that had these same exact bullet points. So I pick one. I look for one usually that has AliExpress shipping. You pay a few cents more, but that's spread over all of the different items. And the excuse me, I have hiccups. The AliExpress shipping seems to be the quickest and most reliable. And then I just go through that entire shop and just see if there's anything else from that shop that I wanted. So all of this stuff came from the same shop. I don't remember which one it was, but otherwise, if you spread all your stuff out across different shops, they all individually need to ship them to you. So just my little tip, I found that works for me for AliExpress. I find something I really, really want, and then I look through the shop for other stuff that I really want, and that way everything comes from one shop. The shipping doesn't really go up, and you get things faster. So I hope you like this video. I hope it inspires you to try some new things, outside of the box things. If it does, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.